Hi guys, good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. It is an amazing day today here in Florida. It is absolutely perfect. I did a Dollar Tree haul and wanted to share with you guys all these awesome things that I found. I just thought, wow, Dollar Tree has definitely stepped up their game this year. Well, guys, I think that is all due to each and every single one of us that buy all these Dollar Tree products and create awesome things with things that the Dollar Tree offers. So I think that we should applaud ourselves and continue shopping so they can bring more and better things in the store. That is awesome. So, guys, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for joining me this awesome Saturday morning. So let me go ahead and start somewhere. I've got quite a few things that are exciting to share with you. And excuse my cup, my husband made me coffee this morning. I needed it. So the Dollar Tree have these butterflies, and there are several different colors. I hope that you guys are able to see it. It's really sunny and really nice out. Nice breeze. It's not too windy. It's just a nice breeze. And these little things here, this one is an angel wings. I want it to be an angel wings, but they're just wings. So let that little plate. Also have this one, which is just a feather. The Dollar Tree have all these little things there. I just thought this was very tropical and different from what the Dollar Tree usually have. So I liked it. It says find the beauty with every day, and I definitely love that. This one, it says, God grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and wisdom to know the difference. How perfect is that? I love that scripture, actually. Then these are adorable. They come in different colors and different styles, you know? So I love that. I hauled 2 of these. Then they have these square, which I had not seen before, but it's absolutely perfect for projects. So I'm really excited to be able to do some things with that. And I hauled 4 of them. Now this is actually brand new. I've never seen it. It may have been in other Dollar Trees before, but I've never seen it. I hauled 2 of them. We'll see what we can come up with. And the Dollar Tree is doing more and more of these little, what are they? Embroidery. They're the red heart, I don't see what they are. I guess it's for crochet. Just to crochet for, here. Scarves, that's the word I'm looking for, to make scarves. So I hauled a few colors of those, and then they have these little shaggy things here. I think it's for the same thing, yeah, to make scarves. So of course I'm not knitting, I'm not good at that, so I will not be making it, but I figure I can do some kind of craft with that. Then they have these. I'm not sure how functional this is going to be, but they have them in different colors, pink and red. So I think that would be perfect for a project for Mother's Day or for Valentine's Day. Possibly haul them now and save them for Valentine's Day. A quick little hint for you. They had these, and they had them in different colors. I love it. It says, hello gorgeous, waking up to that every morning. Of course, that can be a candle holder. We'll make something out of it. Oh, here's the other one. I just love them. The diamond shape. Beautiful. Is that not a gorgeous blue? And you know blue is for the season. I am getting ready to do a summerscape tablescape and a home tour for summer. And I think I'm reaching more. Gleaming from Z Gallery, and they just look fabulous with the blue. So I loved it, and I thought that would be nice as well, possibly for my kitchen. It says Dream of Tomorrow. I love that. Now you guys see me work with this a lot. And these they come just like that. They're cups. And they get them in all the time, but in colors. And this is how they look. And I mention them every time I make a lamp or a little decor. I always share them with you guys. This one doesn't seem to be coming out. And you've got to be careful because you will pop the... Let's try another one. May have to cut it out. I'm not able to get it out, but basically you can cut it out and just use the light, and that's what I have. I thought I have popped them out before, but these doesn't seem to want to come out. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this is what they look like. And so I normally disregard these. I don't use these, and I just keep the lights. I bought 3 of them, but I think I may go back and get a few of them because I do love these. And you can always double them to make the light more brighter. They have these little Mother's Day little thing as well. And this one says, oh, actually what it is, it's a stand. And you put it down like that. And it says, thank you, Mom. For all that you do, you are loved. And I love that. This one says Happy Mother's Day. Beautiful. And I hauled 2 of those. I was thinking of doing a project, but I saw a project on YouTube that someone else already did something similar to what I was thinking of, and I didn't want to duplicate, so I don't know, if I come up with something different, then I may do a project with it. If not, I may just return it. And then they have these little adorable containers of buttons. And, you know, Joanne sells these as well. So to be able to haul it from the Dollar Tree for only $1, that's awesome. Then I bought some of these. I think they are massage things, but, you know, of course, I'm going to use them for something else. Well, guys, this is my haul. I hope you guys like everything that I purchased. I hope that if you had not seen these before at your Dollar Tree, that you'll run out and check out if they've got new supplies in. Because it seems like my Dollar Tree have new supplies every day. Every time I go, they have something new. So check out your local Dollar Tree. Thank you guys so much for joining me this morning. I will have a DIY for you later on today. And I just thank you guys. I truly love, love, love spending my mornings with you guys, spending time with you guys. Give me a thumbs up, share the videos my home decor videos that I share with you guys, and continue enjoying the videos and leaving me a message. Thank you, and I will see you later on today.